Higgs, Narb, Saruda, Douglas, Carino, Lee, Valachi, Shastani, On, Far, and De Leon. All cars go. Porsche Cup out here on the course. Our inaugural West Coast Indoor Championships up here in Redwood City. In the LEMO building up here. It's an awesome facility. Thanks to LEMO for supporting the RC racing community, allowing us to use this space twice a month. Guys, come up and enjoy club racing. Come up and do some mini C racing. Lots of activities here. Bring your kids, bring your grandkids, get them involved in all the sports and hobbies on site. Narb out in front, Steven second, Mike in third, the white and orange. Let's go. Narb off the end of the straightaway, Carino in second, and now Douglas in third, followed by Hicks and Saruda to round out the top 5. Race number 15 is in tech. Race number 16, start thinking about it. Ooh, big crash right there. John Hicks up in the 2 spot. That's our local race director. Hicks up in the 2 spot. He won round number 1, and Hicks coming in through the middle here. Yellow, green, and blue. Let's see if John can bring it to the top of the charts again here. Right now he's trailing Narb by just 1/10 of a second. So John knocking on the back door out Narb. And they're paired up on the course, so we'll get a little foreshadowing of the fast guys in this class as they come up. Oh man, and Hicks takes a tumble! And that's racing. Hicks somehow hops the pipe, but can't get it back over the other way. Woo, man, the blue car needs to go on the other side. Hicks, and we're clear. You just never know what's going to happen in Porsche. I think that's why I like it. I got a chance, you know. You start to hear a lot of noises out in front of you, just keep driving. Narb out in front, Mike in second, Ian in third. I get Steve in third now, Ian in fourth, and John Hicks to round out the top 5. Not too late to pick up some raffle tickets, guys. We got raffle tickets for $1 a ticket or 7 tickets for $5. Head on up to the front counter, pick up some raffle tickets. You can go home with a brand new X-Ray 12 scale. They got a lot of cool prizes over there. Think about picking up a couple raffle tickets for the raffle. All right, guys. Looks like we'll be doing the raffle prizes tomorrow, so you still have time to buy tickets. 2 minutes left to go. We got 2 minutes left. Hicks pulling it off to the side. There's Narby, Saruda, and Carino. Narb off the other straightaway, the white and orange. John Hicks is our current top qualifier with an 18 and a 5:09. Let's check in with Narb's pace. Narb's on a 17 and a 5:03. Carino in the 3rd spot, Hicks in 4th, and Lee to round out the top 5. 1 minute and 20 seconds left to go. Winning down, throttle out. 1 minute left to go, guys. The blue car with the 3-wheel motion. We got his dog mode over here. Keep going, bro. If you use that anti-wear grease that they include, you can keep going. It won't affect it. Got the 3-wheel motion. We got a trike out there. That's the blue car running on 3 bones. 45 seconds left to go. Narb, Mike, and Steve, followed by Winston, Tino. Durgan, Brad, Anson, and Juan. Complete the running order. John off the track, Ian off the track.
Sorry.
Oh man, spatula pass. Flipped him over like a flapjack. Keep going, keep going. Everybody's gonna make the big show.
Oh my God.
Narb, Mike, and Steve. 5 seconds left to go. Oh man, watch out, straightaway go low.
Sorry, Narb.
Just keep going. The Carrera with the...
Steve, are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you having fun?
Keep going, guys. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Sheesh. Go low on the straight. Go low on the straight. Get clear.
Let's go full flow. I hit him.
It's
I hit
like
him.
flying off the cliff.
Are you trying to take people out?
No, you ended up going the wrong way.
Just went off Mulholland Drive. All right, 4 more to finish.
Oh my god, why did I cut that?
2 more,
corner.
and Turgan. That's race. Nard taking the win, 17 and a 501. John Hicks will remain the top qualifier. Mike Carino second, and Steve Cerruta third. Lee fourth.
All right, good try.
Scotty fifth. Valachi sixth.
I'm going wrong way. Sorry.
Not bad.
Coming out the corner, Marshall. 15.